Hey guys, it's Amanda with It's a Fabulous Life. We're going to do something a little different today. We've never done a live DIY before, so we are going to try it. So I'm giving everyone a couple minutes to kind of get notified. We've got quite a few slime recipes on our website, but tonight we're going to do one that's pretty perfect for fall. So if you're getting your pumpkins ready soon, you'll want to save your pumpkin seeds so you and your kids can make a pumpkin guts slime. So I don't know if you remember when you were younger and you would pull it all out, like all the guts and the seeds and everything. So this one's fun. We will have all of the shopping links in the comments below. Dustin's supposed to be posting them. I think he just posted them on there for you if you need to get any of the supplies. So first of all, let's see what we need. You're going to need clear glue. We'll get our stuff ready. This is a borax-free slime, so we're going to use the saline solution and baking soda. And then half a cup of water, which I've got in the mug over here. A dish and pumpkin seeds, which you can be evil like I was and buy them at the grocery store and tell people they can't eat them. Or save them out of your pumpkin. And then we've got orange food coloring. If you don't want to use the food coloring, you can use a soap colorant, which we use in a lot of our other slimes. I would probably do like a tangerine color. If you use the acrylic paint, it will work just as well. So whatever you prefer. We got our water. And then we like our slime scented. So I buy, I don't know if you can see it, these scents from Amazon. We have packs and packs of them, so I'm really happy with how they've worked out. And this one is a pumpkin pie scent. So, all right. Let's see. This is a pretty basic recipe, so we use this one for a lot of our slimes. It's pretty foolproof. You're going to start with half a cup of water. And then you're going to add 5 ounces of clear glue. And if you don't have one of the big bottles, 5 ounces is just one of the standard regular little bottles. So you're just going to mix those two together. And then use a rubber spatula. I stole it from our kitchen. Don't tell Dustin. I steal a lot of this stuff out of the kitchen. Alright. You don't need a ton of coloring, just a little bit will work. And like I said, feel free to use paint. You can use the soap colorants. You can use the food coloring. Just stir it just a little bit. And then the scents. So the packs usually come with different themes, I guess. I really like the scent. I'm trying to remember what this one came with. Let's see. I know it was a fall one. So it came with apple cider, gingerbread, coffee cakes, cinnamon, and a harvest. So they all smell really good. We've used a lot of them. Alright. And then we're going to start with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now when you do this, the baking soda is going to determine the thickness of your slime. So if you need to adjust it a little bit, just know that the baking soda is going to determine how thick it is. And the saline solution is going to determine if it's sticky or not. load it up with some pumpkin seeds. And put that in there. Now when you add the saline solution, it's going to pretty instantly start to form. You only need about a tablespoon is what I start with. Now you can add glitter, you can see it starting to already form. Add glitter or sequins if you want. We're just going to do a plain one. And you know you've got enough. Dustin's watching my video. I can hear him yelling about his tablespoon. You know that there is enough saline solution when it like pulls from the sides. So you're just going to stir it up. You can see it though. It looks really good. It smells really good too. Just like the goo you would pull out when you're making your pumpkins. You see it? So once you get to this point, it should be pretty good to touch. Yeah. Ooh. Kind of dump it out. I got these vinyl mats at IKEA. So they're perfect for when our daughter is making slime. I don't have to worry about it getting all over the place. Trying to knead it on the table here. So you're just going to want to knead it for just a couple of minutes. I should. Let me see. Get all that stuff worked out. I don't know if you guys can see it. So when you are out getting your pumpkins, you can make sure to save your pumpkin seeds so your kids can make the pumpkin get slime. I'm going to add a little bit more contact solution. Not very much, but. And how much is kind of going to be also determined on what you use to color it and how much coloring you put in. So, and while it smells really good, just make sure that no one tries to eat it because it is not an edible one, unfortunately. But it's nice and gooey. And it smells pretty good. So make sure you share the video. If you want to pick up some of the scents, you should have a link in the comments. We are going to make sure we get a tutorial up on our website, but we have a lot of other slime that's up. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.